guys? Today is Saturday. It's 11 o'clock in the morning right now, and we're on our way to buy a transmission, not for the Civic but for the CRV. So in the last video, I know you guys seen that my boy Rod gave me a transmission, and I forgot and didn't really know that if you drain the fluid from the transmission, it's bad once they have like over 100,000 miles, and they weren't changing it like at 60,000 miles and stuff like that. Cause it's supposed to change it like I think like every 60,000 miles. So when the transmission has like over 100,000 miles and they haven't changed it, they say to don't change it because all that stuff that's in there is actually making the transmission work. So when you let it out, it doesn't work. So we put the new transmission in. I literally went outside, and the car started slipping, doing the same thing again. Same thing at the other one, and I totally fucked up the other transmission that I got for free from Ra, so thank you, Ra, again. But right now we're about to go to the JDM depot and get a transmission that has like 60,000 miles for the CRV. Install it on Wednesday. We should be good. This one has the original Honda fluid in it. We're not gonna drain it, any of that. We're just literally gonna add OEM fluid to it, put it on the car, and just drive. In my first transmission, it drained the first time because I needed to change the shift solenoid. So when I changed it, all the fluid came out. So I added more. It was good, but I guess it wasn't good enough because it got messed up again. And then with this one, the transmission that my boy gave me was it was running on the car, but I dumped it out because the oil looked really dirty. So I was like, let me just dump it out and add new oil. But I should have remembered that you can't do that. So yeah, it's giving me the same thing as the incorrect gear ratio. And once you get that code multiple times, that means something internal is messed up. So now the car doesn't even drive because it wasn't driving at all. It would drive for like probably 2 seconds and then start revving out like it was in neutral. And now I can put it in drive, reverse, anything, and it doesn't go anywhere. And the transmission makes noise, so we're gonna go get one right now. I don't even know what we are. But those are all my engines right there. I don't know what I'm looking at.
What up, Wade? Mr. O, how you doing, man? Okay. Everything good?
JDM heaven right here. Yeah.
It's still running. 30-year-old motor.
For real, strong as hell too.
Okay, got a motor that's holding it in.
Alright, so we got a tranny, extra clean. It's all these K series. So that oil on that transmission is literally brand spanking new. It is so red. So that's how I know the transmission internally is good, because that thing is literally red as like a marker. That's how red it is. So definitely know that the transmission is good. And my battery on the CRV is dead. I mean on the Jeep, and I gotta replace this also. Show you guys how clean this transmission is. Look how red that is. I guarantee you none of y'all CRV transmission is this red. This thing is red. Like brand spanking new. And this thing has like, let's say it probably has like 50,000 miles on it or whatever. So definitely good condition. I'm dropping off the transmission on my dad's job. There goes the first one right there. My original one. Damn, it just smells so burnt. It smells so bad. Yeah, we gotta change this one out, yeah. So we gotta change. This is the Park Neutral switch. We gotta change this one. It's the American one. Yeah, look how clean this thing is. Look how red that oil is. Now that's clean. This thing is literally brand new. So it's been a long time, as you guys can see. I've been so stressed out that I haven't even got a haircut. So you guys know the CRV has been giving me the worst of the worst issues. So right now the CRV is outside. So as of now, for 2 days in a row, CRV has been good. We put the new transmission in it. I gotta take my dad right now to go pick up his car because he drove mine back. So when I get back, I'll explain everything that happened with the CRV and get you guys up to speed and let you guys know everything that happened, because it's been hectic. I've been stressed. So when I come back, I'll tell you guys everything. Alright guys, so while I'm here, I guess waiting to pick up my fiance, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of an update of what's been going on. So as a lot of you know, my car, my CRV has been giving me a lot of issues. So when I bought the car, everything was perfectly fine. The car was driving normal, no problems, right? The only thing I found a little bit weird was every time I was shifting to like second gear, it was like a little rough, like it was like vroom, like, you know, you feel like a rock. So I didn't pay no mind to whatever. Car was good. Within, say, like 2 months into owning the car, maybe. Yeah, like 2 months into owning the car started slipping, right? So figured there was a shift solenoid, got a shift solenoid, changed it. Now, when I changed the shift solenoid, all the fluid from the transmission came out. Just bought regular Valvoline oil. That's supposed to be like Honda certified also, because I couldn't get the Honda one out at that time. So, put that one in. It was good for a month. Then started happening again continuously. Did not want to, the check engine light would not go away. It would just keep coming up. So I was like, you know what? Let me change the sensor. So I changed every single solenoid on it, $150. After that, after we changed it, nothing happened. We changed both like input and output speed sensors on the transmissions. If you guys didn't know, the automatics bring that also. Changed that also, nothing. So all that money in the garbage. So realize, you know what? The transmission is done. The transmission is garbage. So my friend Rod gives me another transmission from the video you guys seen while racing. So he gives me that transmission. So I dump out the oil on that one also, because that was filled with motor oil, and it was supposed to be filled up to the stick that much, and it was filled up that much to the stick, so it was overfilled. Put that one in. My dad takes it out of his garage, at his job, literally drives off the block, leaves him stuck, so he parks it. That transmission is finished. So at this point, I'm just like, I gotta be something going on. Give me the same exact code and everything. Give me the incorrect gear ratio. So it kept giving me that on the last transmission and the one we just put on. So I'm like, nah, I gotta be something with the car, not with the transmission at all. So what I should have known, a lot of people don't know. Transmission places know it, but I'm gonna give you guys the best advice ever. If you have a transmission from a Honda or any car that has over 100,000 miles, do not drain the oil from the transmission. So when the transmission has over 100,000 miles and you do not know if that transmission had been serviced before at 60,000 miles, do not flush it or do any drain or anything. Once you do that, that oil has like little particles and stuff in it that actually makes the transmission drive. So once you let go of that oil, the transmission will no longer be able to drive. You just let all that stuff that's actually making the transmission drive, will actually work, goes away, and it does not work. I read up on it a while ago. I didn't even put like mind to it. I didn't put two and two together. After I realized that I did the same thing with the first transmission. So the transmission that was in this car, when I changed the shift fluid, all the fluid came out, like I told you guys. So all the oil came out. I added a different oil to it. It was good for a month. Then it continuously kept happening. Both transmissions I drained. Like I said, I didn't really pay mind to it, and I drained both of them. Both transmissions, my car at the time had 138,000. The transmission that my friend Rod gave me had like 160,000, and I was not supposed to drain them. So my dad's friend that works on transmissions also told him you're not supposed to drain transmissions that have over 100,000 miles because they will not work and they will start slipping. So all in all, it cost me 2 transmissions, destroyed 2 transmissions. Well, the first one was already gone. It was already messed up by itself. Like, it was just bound to happen. The second one, it was working, but I took out all the oil in it because I had motor oil. You're not supposed to put motor oil in an automatic transmission, especially in a Honda transmission. You're supposed to use original Honda fluid. So I used Honda transmission fluid after I drained it out. But like I said, all that stuff that was in that transmission was actually making it work. Gone. So they stopped working. Now, in the beginning of this video, you guys saw that I went to JDM Depot, bought a transmission for $542 after taxes. It has like 50,000 miles. I've been driving this car, and this thing feels like a Cadillac. You do not feel it shifting at all. It is way too smooth. It doesn't even feel like a CRV. So, moral of the story, guys: do not drain a transmission that has over 100,000 miles. Do not do it because you will regret it, and you will be in the same exact shithole like I am. So, third transmission, 50,000 miles, got it, paper and everything. It's worth it because I know the car came with, 50,000 miles. I have receipts. I have everything for it. I know the car was in, the transmission is in good condition. I have warranty for a month. I checked the fluid. It was red, like it was a brand new transmission. So I already knew off the back it was good. So now the CRV is working. I know there's going to be a lot of talking, but I haven't really been vlogging. I have not been wanting to vlog. This car has been driving me nuts. It's been like the last month with just going through issues with this car. Well, transmission issues. So I want to give a massive thank you to my dad. If you guys don't know, my dad's been a mechanic his whole life, racing everything. He works at a mechanic shop with ambulance and stuff. So both times I was going to help him with the transmission. I was going to do it on a Saturday because I don't work Saturdays. But him, being him, he was like, you know what, give me the transmission. I'll change it out in my job while I'm working on Wednesdays because he can actually work on his cars on Wednesday. So he changed the first one out on a Wednesday. Drove it, didn't do anything. That's the first one I got messed up. Then yesterday, which is Wednesday, he put this one in, started driving, and it is good. So both times he dropped transmissions and put 2 transmissions in for me without my help. I wanted to do it on a Saturday because I don't work, but he wanted to do it, get it out the way. So shout out to my dad. None of this would have been done with him. I would have gave up. I would have sold the car, but I need this as my daily driver and as my work car. Shout out to my boy Andrew for coming with me and researching a whole bunch of things. And shout out to Rod also for giving me a free transmission. I didn't pay for that second transmission. This one that I got now, I paid obviously for it because I wanted a brand new, basically, transmission. But shout out to Rod for giving me a working transmission. I was one that messed it up. But yeah, shout out to him, guys. So guys, it's the next day. Now I know you guys already previously seen me with this outfit on the last video. But just wanted to let you guys know that the CRV is good. It's been driving good. I just topped it off with some more oil. She needs a bath really bad, but I'm not going to wash it because I think tomorrow's going to rain. And it's been snowing over here, so you guys can see it has like all the snow stuff. But for the most part, she's good, man. I have a lot of work to do to her. I bought from an old guy, like I told you guys. This light is good. I just need to change out this light. I need to get 2 mirrors because these mirrors are messed up. I got to do the in and out of tie rods and local charms. So I just want to change everything on this car to make it just like the Civic. You guys know that I like my cars to be like super clean and reliable. So she's going to get there. Little by little, it's winter time. I'm going to be working on the Civic and I'm going to be working on this. So yeah, but nothing much. I mean, car drives good. Like I said, I need to do in and out of tie rods. Already got those. I got those from eBay. Got them for like 40 bucks. They work. Coolers use them. A couple other people use them. Locatron I have to buy also. I have the stabilization bars, stabilization links for the CRV also. So little by little, I'm gonna start doing stuff little by little. I need to get O2, IAC. This is stuff that, you know, the car's sat for a long time, so it just needs to be replaced. And the car drives literally phenomenal. Drives like a brand new car. So those are the things that I have to change out for it. Because I'm not gonna, you know, drive it. I mean, the car drives perfectly fine right now, the way it is. I drive it. I use it for work every single day, and the car gives me like no issues. Knock on wood. The only issue I had was that transmission was. I don't know what the previous owner did with the transmission. So, yeah, got those things to do. Try to see if I have anything else planned for the CRV. I just gotta get sensors and stuff like that. Oh, and I also have to figure out the issue that I have with the temperature. So the temperature goes up to like 3/4, and once I drive, it goes down. And sometimes when I park, it'll go back down. If I turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and like clock the power steering, the temperature will literally drop. If I pick up the windows both at the same time, the temperature would drop. So it's pretty weird. Like the temperature will get to like 3/4, and they say I turn the car off and then turn the car back on just so all the lights could come on. You know, once you turn the lights, once you click the key forward twice, temperature and everything goes right back to where it's supposed to be. Like right where it was at when you turn off the car. So if it's 3/4 and I'll turn it off and I turn the key forward, so everything comes back on, the temperature will be normal. Once I turn it on, it'll go right back up. So it's definitely something weird going on. I was supposed to take out the cluster today on the Civic, but it's too cold and I'm tired. So I'm gonna end up probably doing that tomorrow. But yeah, that's the update I wanted to give you guys for the, you know, for the CRV. This video came out after the other one, so I know you guys are gonna see me wearing the same clothes, but just trying to close everything out all at once. So, all right, guys. So I came to my daughter's room just to close out the video. All right, guys. So I just want to close out the video. Tell you guys thank you. I know these two last videos haven't been like really nothing too crazy. I'm just literally slowly warming up into winter because trying to figure out what exactly I want to do over this winter, because I have a lot of things that I want to do, personal stuff, besides like the car stuff. So it's gonna, you know, gonna just try to work my way into vlogging winter. And you know, usually winter time I always just do stuff to the car. To the Civic I need to do rear camber kits. I still gotta take off the turbo because that turbo is bad. So yeah, there's a couple stuff that I still need to do, and I'm not really, you know, I'm just trying to like ease my way into it. I also have to do a video with Julio because Julio dynoed his car. You guys don't know that, but he went to go tune. The car's finally tuned, but Julio's second gear is literally destroyed. So he went, bought a second gear, slider, synchros, all of that. So he's putting it on, and yeah, he's gonna get his car back. His car right now is at Andrew's house, well, his building. So he's downstairs in the parking lot. It's been there for like a week. Shout out to Andrew for always helping us out for everything. But yeah, so I also gotta, you know, give you guys a little review on his car, on what it made, if he wants to, you know, put that out there. Yeah, just show you guys the car overall. I have some clips of him getting dynoed and stuff like that. So there's a lot of stuff going on. So thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Remember, guys, build to enjoy. Peace.